Hello, and how you going? How you going, people? This is my YouTube channel, Epic5 Gamer. I'm going to be sharing with you. Hello, people. This is a new Snapchat trick. I call it a trick. I've been practicing this trick for a long time. This only works on iPhone. So iPhone 5S and up. Okay. How to record without touching this button or the side button. Okay, this is how you do it. When you're about to record, as soon as you're about to record, you press the record button, then you press this little small button right here. So you do it. See? Not touching anything. So I'll do it again for you. So press it, and as soon as it's about to record, you press the memories button, this little circle one. So sometimes it doesn't work, but it will work. It worked. See? And this is how you do it. That's how you take a video without pressing the side button or the record button. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. Peace.